In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update contacts in Mailchimp. Managing your audience efficiently is crucial, and sometimes you need to update multiple contacts at once. Mailchimp makes it easy to do this, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. Go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top of the page and find the Audience tab. Click on it. This area is where you manage all your contacts and audience lists. It's essentially the hub for all your email marketing lists, so it's important to get familiar with this section. After you've clicked on Audience, you'll see an option that says Add Contacts. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since we're updating contacts, but this is the right path. Click on Add Contacts, and then you'll see the Import Contacts option. Select this, as it allows you to bring in a batch of contacts which you can then update. Now, here's where the bulk of the work begins. You need to have your contact list ready in a file format that Mailchimp accepts, such as CSV or Excel. Once you have your file prepared, click on Upload a File. This button will let you select your prepared file from your computer. Make sure your contact list is up to date and formatted correctly, as any discrepancies can lead to errors during the import process. After you've uploaded your file, click on Continue. Mailchimp will guide you through a few steps to map your file's columns to the appropriate fields in Mailchimp. This is an important step because it ensures that each piece of contact information from your file is correctly assigned to the corresponding field in Mailchimp. The final step is crucial. You'll see an option labeled Update Any Existing Contacts. It's very important to select this option. This tells Mailchimp to update the information for contacts that already exist in your list, rather than adding duplicates. Once you've checked this option, proceed to finalize the import. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated your contacts in Mailchimp. Remember, maintaining an up-to-date contact list is essential for effective email marketing. By using Mailchimp's bulk update feature, you can easily manage your audience and ensure all information is current. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your email marketing efforts.